abaibori nigo bagenderete gusabwa koenekia bunanko baikabare abana babange na nene kubaerekereria chimbwa chire chingia asobuya bwa matukari bosio ayangorengana no mutineri bwe skuru ya Mother Teresa Educational Center ebyo gotoka ase wodi ya Rigoma imeye county ya Nyamira machine ichwara oyotere na chinga kicho mutimoko bwerusa nari abana banke bakubwatiraniwa no bosaria bwe chingencho ao obwanene bo gusaria amagimabo
within very few weeks abantu bakwewa a lot of materials basome abaibori bakorera abana bakorera a lot of homework income barikonyara kubakonya batekere kare ndabone guchikotwara 13 weeks every time abana guchikotwara bari chinza chinyororo cyo basoma buya cyo bakora their homework cyo cover the curriculum within the ngakiriye bekire na serikali batari konye myoke kara bako myoke curriculum bari ko bintu binde konye wale bayebire lakini ekere curriculum ekere time rebia 13 weeks obako soma ngora ba understand bia na inde ba apply everything that also so I think ekere kwende kuchikwira nijikwa bayiboli no eno boro wakane fees ekere fees konye bayiboli yao chiko awakane fees mutinyo yo mara mutinyo to ate bunge fees nere na ndo ne fees kuchikomentere ikiara serikali ya Arusi kwendelia COVID the subsidies la with ya COVID singe tabia rengenke so which you tuare changamoto asa bayiboli lakini ni maitenga it would be beneficial to the learners because they will be able to get the best out of the time allocation. Erusa nengiera sabana ikiagera abana they are develop their brains is developing one obongo bwabo ngora akoma bana batakire bono bagenda bachiese bebe bintu biri basomire bebe bintu biri basomire egere bachigo na inde bintu bono byo mwako de bamuna bako bibasoa kwende obongo bwabo abana basikomyo kigurio kariyo ka batari gutimoka bakonyora abana because mental health ya chire na inde amongorera abantu bakurwara because of bintu so egera abana bako develop ngora na inde bagendera bagendete gusoma kumanya ibintu biri batakire na inde kera abana basomire is not about ibintu babege umuntu is how they can apply the knowledge basomire so I think the relaxing of the brain and to arrive some schools awana kona saba bali school the reason ya wana saba school talinga awana batagi school no cost kera wana baro sino ngo baro sino no ba te bana tigatu na indu takiri gotimuka